Hi, hello. Let's learn C case marker in Bisaya language. C. C. C is a personal case marker used specifically before proper nouns such as a person's name, kinship terms used as names, titles or honorifics with names, a pet's name. It functions as a nominative marker, meaning it is used to mark the subject or topic of the sentence when the subject is a specific person or named being. Structure. C. C plus proper noun or kinship term or titles or pet's name. Let's break down each use with examples and explanation. Person's name. Example, si Maria kay buutan. Si Maria kay buutan. Marie is kind. Maria is a proper noun. Person's name. Si is used before person's name. Other example, si Ana, si Juan, si Marcos, si Barbie. Kay. Kay is a linking particle often used to indicate explanation, emphasis, or reason, similar to because or as for. Buutan. Buutan means kind, good-natured, or well-behaved. Kinship term used as name. Example, si Mama nagluto. Si Mama nagluto. Mother is cooking. Mama is a kinship term for mother. When used directly in place of the person's name, like a nickname, it is treated as a proper noun. Other example, si Papa, father, si Ate, big sister, si Kuya, big brother. Titles with names. Example, si Dr. Cruz nagtambal sa pasyente. Si Dr. Cruz nagtambal sa pasyente. Dr. Cruz treated the patient. C. Subject marker for a person. Dr. Cruz. Title plus name. Nagtambal. Treated. Sa pasyente. The patient. The object. Other examples. Si Ma'am Alma. Si Sir Mark. Si Pastor John. Si Nurse Eden. Pet's name. Example. Si Bantay. Kay nagbantay sa balay. Si bantay kay nagbantay sa balay. Bantay, the dog, is guarding the house. Bantay is the name of a pet, common dog name in the Philippines. Even though it's an animal, named pets are treated like persons grammatically. C shows Bantay is the subject. In Cebuano, a noun needs a case marker to make sense in a sentence. Case markers are not optional. They're essential to understanding who is doing what to whom. This is a core part of Cebuano syntax and grammar. Salamat. Sa la mat. Salamat. Thank you. Padayon. Pa da yon. Padayon. Keep going. Maayo imong gibuhat. Maayo imong gibuhat. Maayo imong gibuhat. You're doing good.